Hello everyone, I'm Kajal Mehra and today we are at the SEMICON India 2025 Day 3 and with us is Mr. Shrikant Sawant. He is the lead market development at Listenlights. Hi Shrikant.
Hi. Hi,
Hi.
Kajal.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I would like you to introduce yourself and about Listenlights
Sure.
to our audience.
Sure. I myself, Shrikant Sawant, I'm lead market development for Listenlights Private Limited. I'm into the market development. That seems to be a quite interesting role to develop a new sectors for our industry. Listenlights has been into the industry of providing MEP services to the clients since last 40 plus years, and sectors named as like data centers, we have commercial projects, industrial, logistic park, and we do have exclusive service also, AMC services, wherein we provide annual maintenance contracts also for the clients whom we have provided the engineering services. So that's the overall portfolio, and it's 800 plus employees working pan India, more than 6 locations, and also the overseas existence in Indonesia with our other partner.
Okay,
So that's how the short brief of Listenlights.
lovely. So moving ahead to the Q&A session, and my first question for you is that MEP companies like Listenlights
Right,
have played a critical role in developing large industrial logistic facilities.
right.
How do you see this expertise translating into building world-class semiconductor fabs and supporting infrastructure in India?
Okay. See, I see a semiconductor, when we talk about a semiconductor industry per se, although it's a new industry which is getting developed, but the infrastructure required for any industry will be a fundamental.
Yes.
Right? Because it starts with your design, then with the planning, then the procurement of required material, as well as the facilities which will actually manufacture and process the chip, then packaging, handling it, transport, delivering to the sales, everything. So it's an end to end, and the maintenance of all these facilities. So we see a good linkage of all the value chain, wherein we can be someone like us, like Listenlights, who is handling MEP services. Those are very critical services for all these nodal points, wherein uh, the requirement of power or the requirement of clean rooms or a safety environment is a priority,
Yes.
right? So might be any industry, and semiconductor having the requirements of precision,
Yes.
right, and maybe accuracy for the services, uninterrupted power. When it comes to power, I think it is as good as a data center. Like they cannot have a fraction of seconds
Yes.
without power, right? So we see a good correlation between all these industries, and surely we can provide the required MEP services with that sort of precision and quality with our expertise of over 40 plus years.
Okay.
And surely we can be one of the maybe a small participation into the industry, but surely we can kind of be part of that industry and look forward to grow along with the industry.
Definitely you'll grow. So my next question is that Listenlight has extensive experience in powering and executing data center projects, as
Right.
you earlier said.
Right.
How can this experience be leveraged to address the highly specialized requirements of the semiconductor sector?
Yeah, I think more or less I have covered into
Yes,
my
you have
earlier
covered.
question, but yes, the very high quality of products. When I say products, it's our services which we
Yes.
provide, including MEP. A lot of coordination is required because there will be liquids, there will be gases required to process the wafers or the semiconductor. The kind of environment which will have typical requirements of air or the particles into the air. Then it comes to HVAC. Typical temperature is required, pressure is required.
Yes.
So these all basic fundamental services required for that processing. We have been doing it over the years, specifically for the data centers, right? Wherein these all precise and accurate specifications are there into the industry, and we have been providing this for the clients, which are like overseas clients,
Okay.
all top notch DC operators, starting from hyperscalers to colos. We have been providing this, and this is for even the other industries wherein we have given the similar services.
Okay.
So we don't see as a challenge, but
Mhm.
yes, industry specific requirements need to be catered to. So
Definitely.
the current stage is more of a understanding the requirements,
Hmm.
how the industry, what are the industry asks from the MEP industry,
Hmm.
and maybe develop our capabilities, which we have been doing over the years,
Hmm.
and cater to when it comes to a delivery, deliver the right product or services to the potential clients. That's how we see.
Okay. So, what specific engineering and technology services from Listenlights do you believe can provide the strongest value addition in the design, execution, and maintenance of semiconductor facilities?
Okay. See, as I told you, it's a complete value chain. Starts
Hmm.
with design, planning, procurement, project execution, which is a major part, uh, testing, commissioning. Obviously, quality comes through and through,
Mhm.
and handing over to the client.
Hmm.
So we have all the departments as a exclusive functions in our company, and all the regions have a like self-sustaining delivery capabilities, wherein they have all the set of engineers,
Okay.
obviously guided by the head office, and they have been developed. They have been developed the way the particular industry requirements
Hmm.
are. So I see a design capability when it comes to 3D modeling, 3D beam capacity. We can actually develop 3D model in-house.
Okay.
We have that in-house capabilities.
Mhm.
So more the complex structure,
Hmm.
more challenges will come. But knowing the requirements, we have been working in MEP, like mechanical, electrical, plumbing services.
Hmm.
We have been working together.
Okay.
Maybe a gas pipeline or some liquid requirement of pipeline. When it comes, surely we'll be able to integrate it with the
Yes.
current existing capability.
Hmm.
Planning procurement, yes, we have to get to the new guys, the new materials, new specifications.
Hmm.
We need to understand that. Surely we see a challenge over there,
Mhm.
but looking at the overall experience of ours last 40 years, maybe we'll be able to crack through it. And planning and the execution, which has been our forte, because the structure looks like a project management structure
Okay.
for us. For any project, we have that typical all project life cycle, wherein we have all the functions there, and the team below them. They cater to that particular function. Experts like planning experts,
Okay.
wherein they do plan in P6 or a Primavera or a MS project per se. They have planning capabilities. Then it comes to procurement, the all industry top notch companies, wherein our guys we have kind of now in our in-house team are having the experience of multiple years, and they have been doing this over the years. So procurement, yes, we see a strong capability as far as procurement of material is concerned. We have been procuring material and getting imported materials also. So knowledge of that is also with us. And when it comes to project execution, yes, we have people from even top notch PMC companies. They do a
Okay.
project management. I myself come with a PMC background.
Okay.
So these gamut of offerings or the capabilities our people have. So
So,
we don't see a special challenge when it
yes.
comes to delivering a project. But yes, we need to learn the things first before you commit or before we go out in the market and say, hey, like yes, we can do that. So I think small or a very patient start will take us to that particular route. It's a start for us also.
Absolutely, you take. Um, so, where was I? Semiconductor facilities demand extremely high standard in terms of precision, safety, and reliability.
Right.
What challenges do you foresee while adapting MEP solution for this sector, and how does Listen Light plan to overcome them?
Okay. Surely there will be challenges. Safety of individual industry safety norms requirements rather would differ. Surely, for this industry, yes, we will need we'll need that understanding or the knowledge of that particular industry or the processes related to that particular industry. Uh, yes, we will have the forte of people as something comes in as an inquiry or as a project. Surely we'll have our people learning those particular norms as far as safety is concerned. Safety is very high, although
Yes.
existing team is capable of. But yes, to get the people who has the knowledge of that particular industry or a sector would be required.
Yes.
So I'm not denying the challenge. Yes, that will be required.
Mhm.
Even the execution, we need that expertise wherein they will populate their knowledge. And we have a very fantastic system wherein it is a process driven approach. So all the departments, functions, they have their process written. Over more than 600 process we have written ourselves
Okay.
to customize to our industries or to the clients' requirements. So it has been a fantastic journey over last, I think, 7 to 8 years. We have been writing and inculcating our own processes, and it's ongoing. Like improvement is every day. So, so maybe this particular new industry requirements will try to learn, but once the experience is there, it will get into the process and it becomes a usual for us.
Yes, yes.
So I think initially, yes, we will face some challenges as far as safety norms, quality norms are required, because this will be very specific to the industry. But once we roll out, once we experience on one project, I feel surely we will be able to deliver it in a better way. And our endeavor always is to deliver to the same client, to the same project in a better way next time. So that's how I think we look at every project.
Okay. So with India's growing focus on semiconductor manufacturing under the ISM initiative, how is Listenlight positioning itself as an enabler in the ecosystem?
Right. I think I have been talking about the overall project life cycle when it comes to any industry, and now specifically to the semicon. So if you see the existing verticals where we are, so we cater to almost all the nodes of this project life cycle. May it be a design, we have our own design capabilities wherein obviously we can learn the semicon specific designs and inculcate that knowledge and maybe involve into the projects. It comes to planning and execution. We have people who understands the industrial or the data center or the critical infrastructure requirement. So we have that knowledge base or experience. When it comes to testing and commissioning and the quality, we have a couple of types with university wherein we are trying to develop the capabilities. It's a kind of a exchange scheme wherein we have types with institutes wherein we are taking the engineers, making them learn on live jobs, as well as we are offering them jobs so that they can work on live projects. And the course is actually designed by our own engineers, the departmental heads. So it's a very customized and curated course which we have designed and going to implement soon. So not depending on the existing capabilities, yes, there are challenges. You will see industries in the requirement of almost say thousands of engineers, but actual availability of the engineers is very less, around 30 to 40% of the skill. I'm talking about the niche. Maybe you will have a lot of engineering college, maybe thousands of engineering college producing millions of engineers per year, but the required skill set with specific requirements need to be developed.
Very less.
Yeah,
right
so we are trying to develop that or develop our own kind of pool of resources, which will eventually given back to the industry itself. It's not our own asset, but yes, we believe in developing or kind of giving them that knowledge and developing their capabilities so that they will cater to the company, to the industry, and to the nation eventually.
Yes. So thank you so much, Shrikant, for your time.
Thank you,
and
Kajal.
answered the questions very well. And thank you, everybody, for watching us.
Thank you.
Done.